Simplify the expression. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. 3 times the square root of 20 minus 5 times the square root of 80 plus 4 times the square root of 500. First, we'll simplify each of the radical factors by factoring out perfect square factors in each radicand. 3 times the square root of 20 we can rewrite as 3 times the square root of 4 times 5, where 4 is a perfect square factor. We're then subtracting 5 times the square root of 80. 80 factors to 16 times 5. And then we're adding 4 times the square root of 500, which factors as 100 times 5. Now we can rewrite this as 3 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 5 minus 5 times the square root of 16 times the square root of 5 plus 4 times the square root of 100 times the square root of 5. Evaluating the square roots of the perfect squares, we have 3 times 2 times the square root of 5 minus 5 times 4 times the square root of 5 plus 4 times 10 times the square root of 5. Simplifying each factor, we have 6 times the square root of 5 minus 20 times the square root of 5 plus 40 times the square root of 5. Using the distributive property, we can factor out the square root of 5 to combine like radicals. So we have 6 minus 20 plus 40 all times the square root of 5, which is equal to 26 times the square root of 5.